Hi students, this is a quick little video just to show you how to export with a bleed. Um, if you are in InDesign, you want to go to your document setup. If you have not already set up your document, you want to make sure if you want to have a bleed that you add it to this area. If you're not quickly in inches, you want to do the inches to pica transition, which it automatically translates for you. So for the bleed, I would want to do a 0.125 space IN tab, and it automatically puts it to 0p9 for the picas. Go ahead and say OK. You can also go up into the ruler area and hold down your control click and switch it over to inches. Control click, switch it over to inches. So, and of course, making sure click right within the ruler area and making sure that you're aligned 0 to 0 in your XY coordinates. Okay, so for example, if I'm ready to export something such as a business card or any kind of project you're working on, you would do a File, Adobe PDF Presets, High Quality Print, or you would do an export. Export provides you with the same options, but PDF Presets is one we're going to go with for this. We want it to be high quality PDF, and of course, it depends on your vendor and who you're working with, what type of PDF or press quality you want to send to them, and it all has to do with compatibility and their equipment and what they are requiring from you. For digital purposes and for the projects at hand, go for high quality print. And then just to show you, saving it on the desktop, let's just say it's last name underscore business cards. Saving it. And then when you have the PDF window open, you want to make sure you go to Marks and Bleeds and you choose Use Document Bleed Settings. That will actually tell the PDF maker to recognize InDesign's bleed settings. And then you also want to click on All Printer's Marks. General, you'll keep everything the same here. Make sure it says all if you have more than one page. You can do create separate PDF files, export as pages and spreads depending on your project at hand. Go ahead and say export. Okay, and that should be it. If I go to find this particular file, looking for it right now, real quick. There it is, business cards. Get this in the screen for you all. If you notice, these would be the trim edges of the business card. This is the bleed edges. What's nice is then when it goes to the printer, it shows them where the trim and the bleeds would be, so the registration marks are there for that. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is mostly how you would export to PDF for production purposes, especially digital, and we'll cover print production in another video.